I have a LG washer model Wt1101cw that has a bad door latch assembly. It will sometimes lock and sometimes click several times before it locks. My question is how to disassemble washer to access latch assembly to change it out.
Hello. It is my pleasure to be working with you today. This is a very simple repair. There will be 2 screws at the very top back. Remove the screws, push the top of the washer lid forward. Then you can remove the door latch assembly from under the lid. The lid is basically plastic with 2 pockets at the front. Once you remove the 2 screws at back, one on each side, it's just a matter of sliding the top forward to access the latch assembly. You will need to remove the top control cover, 6 screws along the top also, then unplug the existing latch from the control board.
Would you happen to have a disassembly video or tech sheet with disassemble instructions?
Copy and paste the link below. In the video, a putty knife is used to lift the top. It is much easier to remove the 2 screws at the back and slide the top forward. https://www.youtube.com/watch v = m.b 9 by zip 0.
The washer in the video is an older model. This unit is fairly new to the market. The control panel is in the front, and I believe there are 2 long screws hidden with 2 plastic pop-out covers on each side of the control panel, although from the video the lock mechanism itself looks the same or very similar.
Correct. It does come apart pretty much the same way. Once you have the lid up, follow the wiring of the lid switch to the control board. Unfortunately, you will not find a tech sheet available on this unit. http://www.washerpartsworld.com/brand/LG/Wt1101cw.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.